Hi! We are the Hills!
We spent a lot of time lately going around Georgian Bay, and we just wanted to share with you all the awesome places in Ontario that we've discovered along the way.
Next, we stopped at Devil's Monument.
So we had heard this was a great place on the Bruce Peninsula, a little less known, but we like to check those places out. It was a 10-minute hike from the parking lot to the actual monument, so that wasn't bad at all. It's a really great view. They have like a viewing deck that you can look over at.
Once you get to the viewing tower, you don't want to stop there because you can go down and you can get right down to the beach, and that is beautiful.
Amazing. So as you're going down, you can kind of take like the boulder peel down, but also if you go to the left right when you get down, there's an easier trail and a cute little waterfall. Wow. Comes out from the ground and goes right back under us. Devil's Monument Beach. This is gorgeous.
We stayed at the beach for a couple hours just playing around, went swimming. The sun was out, so it was nice and warm.
Kids are like that. The beach is huge, like you can head in both directions and just walk for a long time. So we went and got our own little spot. It was fall, so there weren't many people there, but it was still warm enough that we went in the water. So when we got down to the beach, we turned right and went down that way, and that was really nice. It was kind of like shallow water with some boulders in the water for swimming, so that was really good. But on the way back, this little one wanted to keep going even further, so we hiked all the way around the shoreline and came to some boulders, and we just played and climbed our way along the shore.
Explored around, had a really good day.
Yeah.
Just missed him. Jump over there. Hey, Link. Careful, Lincoln.
Yeah, the boulders and the water are absolutely stunning. It is like nothing I've seen before. It looks like pictures of the Caribbean.
Don't let the watercolor fool you because it is cold.
It is like the Caribbean in the way it looks, not in the way it feels. So that was our time at Devil's Monument. If you are up on the Bruce Peninsula, definitely check that place out. It is worth the 20-minute drive to the middle of nowhere, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So check out that lesser known gem of the Bruce Peninsula.
Bye, friends. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Hit subscribe and follow us on our tour around Georgian Bay.